Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Anthony, and this is not a garage news. Hey, I just wanted to take a minute to thank you guys for tuning in to the Wrenched Out Garage. So we just passed our 100th video here at the Wrenched Out Garage, and it has been an incredible ride so far. We started this project on the Wrenched Out Experiment YouTube channel, which is my other one, which more or less was just an experiment, as I've said before. We started with automotive and went down so many different avenues through time to include firearms and to include photography, videography, and just so much more. And 2018, I decided, hey, let's just make the garage its own. And since then, we've learned a lot on video, learned a lot about YouTube, learned a lot about you guys, the community. And I just wanted to thank you guys for checking us out here, our small little YouTube channel. Our goal is to drop numerous videos a week, and we are currently hitting that. We did get to branch out some and do the garage news, which we drop every Monday. We've got our garage talk. We've got our installs that we've been doing on the Camaro, the Ram Rebel. We've got some cool installs coming for the V-Rod, and so much more. We've got to work with some fantastic companies, some that have sponsored us, some that haven't, and we just collaborated. But I do want to thank all of you guys that have been tuning in. It means a lot to me. It's given me the ability to kind of grow personally, professionally, and of course with building this channel. Now, 2019, we've got a lot of badass stuff coming. I've got a lot of cool new gear for shooting videos, for the audio, like the Rode mic here, so I can hopefully you guys can hear me a lot better, and so much more. So we've got a lot of new equipment. That's just the tip of the iceberg there, and we've got a lot of really cool stuff planned for the Camaro, for the V-Rod, for the Sportster, for the Rebel, and we've got a lot of cool cars and trucks we're going to be featuring here at the Wrenched Out Garage as well. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. I am going to be setting up that giveaway for those Garage Life stickers. I don't have any down here in the garage with me, but let's just make it super simple right now because we're at number 100. If you comment on 5 videos, then you will be put into a pool of a couple of people that did comment on 5 videos. So comment here on this video. If you commented on 5 videos, good, bad, or indifferent, then you'll be put into a pool for the giveaway of at least one of those Garage Life stickers. So I'm going to get those things ready to ship. If you're interested in even getting one, I will do a full giveaway, but because this is number 100, I'm super excited for what 2019 has in store for us because we got so much badass stuff coming. It's awesome. Also, so drop those comments down below. You got to hit 5 comments on 5 out of 100 videos. Should be pretty simple to comment on. So comment on 5 videos. Make this your 5th video to comment on. Tell me what 5 videos. I'll check it. And then what I'll probably do, we'll run this for the month of February, and we'll see if anybody does it. And I'll put all your names in a hat and then draw one and announce the winner here, and then send you a Garage Life decal for your car or for your garage or for your laptop or your bathroom or whatever it is. So thank you guys for tuning in. That's the giveaway there. Again, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that button down below. I'm Anthony. This is the Wrenched Out Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out our content here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. If you guys are out riding or driving, do it safely, and we'll see you in the next video.